This is going to be a product review of the Sharpie 24 plus 1 count. And I just did a review of the 24 plus 1, but the 24 plus 1 was at the regular Costco store, and it came with 24 different colors. And believe me, there were 24 different colors. I thought they were going to duplicate. Most of the colors, I don't even know what you would label them or call them. I couldn't even tell the difference between some of them, but they were all different. And then it had a marker that marked, what was it? It was all of them were fine point. Is this a fine point? These are fine point. Okay, so they're fine point that they're selling at Costco. I forget what the other one was. It had a silver thing that it wasn't a mark on. Well, it was a mark on anything, but it was not the like the liquid Sharpies that have a really fine, ultra fine point tip, and they break and they just make a mess. So these are fine point markers, but this is all black with one blue, and the only way to get this is, where's the item number? I'm trying to find the item number. Is it on the back? I think I ran into this with the last video. I don't know if that's the item number. I'll look on the receipt and I'll get it to you. I think that's what it is. Okay, so we have the ultra fine, which is the one I was talking about, which breaks. If you're using the like the silver or the gold, the special silver or gold that write on anything, just a nightmare. Twin tip, I've never used those. Retractable, I've got some of those. They're really nice. Chisel tip, I've got them. I don't know if they're that useful to me. So, yeah, I can't find the item number. Is that the item number? Here's the item number, 1930247. Where did I buy this? The Costco Business Center. I believe they have these on Amazon, so I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the video description. If you click on the video, if you click on the link, it will put a few cents in my account. It will help me out. So even if you don't want to buy this, if you ever shop on Amazon, if you click on those links before you put in an order, you'll help me out. If you want to do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment, all that other cool stuff. Okay, so the thing I had in my last review, I was saying, oh, this is really nice, and I hope it comes with a nice case so that I can mount these things, so I can store these things, and it doesn't. So when I opened the thing up, 24 markers went flying on the floor, and I ended up putting them in a Ziploc bag. I don't know where else you're going to store these. You probably don't want to have 24 markers sitting all over your drawer. These things are really nice. The fine point is good. I prefer the rounder point, which they don't even label in here. They don't even list it. I think it's kind of like the retractable point. I just put a new blade in here, and I don't want to cut my finger. That would not look good on video. So, whoa, that's a sharp blade. That definitely works. Sorry about the lighting. I don't have any lighting. Sorry about not doing this on a table. We're doing this on a bed. So I'm inviting everybody into my bed for my video review. Sharpie, I've been using Sharpie forever. If you don't use a Sharpie, you don't know the joy of a Sharpie. At work, I always had a Sharpie in my pocket. I usually had the black Sharpie, and then I started carrying the red and black Sharpie, and I don't carry the Sharpie in my pocket all the time now. Now I have no excuse for that because I have 24 of them. So why do you want a Sharpie? You want a Sharpie only if you are awesome. And again, you can only get the black. I think they're going to sell it on Amazon, but it is available at Costco Business Center. So let's talk about Costco Business Center. Most people shop at Costco. They've never been to a business center. Business Center, let's talk about that for a minute because I like to make long videos. Business Center was set up for businesses. Most businesses, not all, but most businesses that order from Costco Business Center order on a website for businesses, and the items are delivered to their business, their restaurant, whatever kind of business they have. You can still walk in there and buy stuff. You can buy sides of lamb. It's unbelievable to see a whole side of a lamb hanging from a hook. You can buy lots of things that would be carried in a store, in a business, at incredible prices, and just like this. So now the most important thing of the video is testing out the Sharpie marker. We have 24 of these plus one. So if you ruin one of them, you've got 23 more to ruin. Very tight cap, very fine tip. Some of the ladies are going to like the fine tip on this. The pointy fine tip, and others are going to say give me the thick round tip. But either way, the nice thing about the fine tip is that you can, does anybody what is it called, script handwriting. Does anybody in the world know how to handwrite anymore? I don't know if they, oh, that's an M. I don't know if they, I haven't handwritten in a long time. So this, I've got too many flares in there. This is, I remember when I was in school, my teacher called my parents into school and they said, your son has terrible penmanship, and if he doesn't learn how to write so that we can read it, he is never going to get by in life. And I will tell you, I probably have more in the bank than these teachers had, than 5 teachers together had. So I did very well. Or let's do that in capitals. Whew, yikes. Well, so this is a Sharpie marker, the 24.1. The 24.1 count plus 1 marker. What does it say there? The original, because there are no fake Sharpies. Fake, news, God, I haven't handwritten in a long time, said the loser and sucker that will not be re-elected. Sharpie. These are really neat. Why did I buy it? Do I really need it? I was talking to my mom. She says, do you really need this? I said, no, I think I've got like about 20 old Sharpies that are maybe 5, 6, 7 years old, and they probably all still work. Most of them are drying out, and I'm throwing them all out. Do I need it? No, but come on, you're going in the business center, and you see this thing, and it sells for, what the heck was this, like $9 or $13, they're 50 cents a piece. You can't buy these in the store for less than about $2,000. 2, see how bold and exciting it makes you when you have this? You can talk about the loser and sucker that won't be reelected. You can talk about $2,000. Oh, yes. Buy these for your family. Buy these for your spouse. Buy these for the teacher. Go down to either the business center. They don't have the black in the store, as I said. They have the color in the store right now, but they're not selling the black ones except at business center. Or click on my affiliate link in the video description. I don't know if I told you that more than 5 times, so that it will give me about 5 cents when you put your order in. And what do I think of these things? Oh, I just almost damaged my tip. Ow, my tip. Ow. O-U-C-H-I-E. See how neat these things are? You can be very expressive. Turn off your cell phone, get off the internet, stop doing your tweets, stop doing the FB, stop doing your Instagram. Go buy some Sharpie, S-H-A-R-P-I-E markers. And that completes my awesome video review of the Sharpie marker. What does it say on the box? Marks on most surfaces. They also sell well, this says, what does it say over here? They used to sell just the regular Sharpie, and this says permanent. It's not really focusing well. There is a marker. I don't know if these are the ones. This is the one these are the ones. That's not the right grammar. That is not proper grammar. This might be it. There's the standard Sharpie, and then there's a Sharpie that does not come off. Well, it comes off with alcohol or acetone, but it really stays on things. As far as I'm concerned, sorry about showing you my bed, but this is my bed. This is an incredible deal. I'm gonna get a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna put this in my sack, my Ziploc sack, so that I can store these, because if you don't have a sack, I don't know where you're gonna put 24 Sharpies. Let me show you how that looks, and I'll be back. I believe what I wanted to say was, I will be back and I will show you what it looks like. Let's try out the blue. Depends where you, that's blue. No, it's really B-L-U-E. But if you went to the wrong part of the school system, it is blue. That's why I did that. All right, it's a good deal. Let me show you how I put these in my sack. I'll whip out my sack. I'm going to put my markers in there. Because there's really, I don't know how somebody would store all these things. Probably fit really nicely in a quart-sized bag, but this way you have enough room to move around in your sack when you're reaching in there to get a marker. And I'm happy. Not only am I happy, but I hope that somebody's going to donate to my channel to help me get back the money that I spent to show you how awesome this blue Sharpie marker is.